All parties Hurriyat Conference has condemned the Indian government's ban on the Jammu and Kashmir National Front, led by the detained senior APHC leader Naeem Ahmed Khan, as an act of state terrorism in the occupied Kashmir. According to Kashmir Media Service, APHC spokesman Advocate Abdul Rashid Minhas, in a statement in Srinagar, condemned the ban as yet another act of terrorism by the BJP-led Indian government against the pro-freedom organizations in occupied Kashmir. In what appears to be an unprovoked escalation in tensions with Pakistan, India has deployed sophisticated anti-drone system along the line of control in Poonch and Rajouri districts of the occupied Kashmir. According to Kashmir Media Service, these systems have been entrusted to the Indian Army and the Border Security Force. As part of its attempt to subdue the voice of the people in the occupied Kashmir, BJP-led Indian government has now banned the Jammu Kashmir National Front led by the incarcerated senior APHC leader Naeem Ahmed Khan. According to Kashmir Media Service, the Modi government today declared Jammu and Kashmir National Front as an unlawful association, the Indian Home Minister Amit Shah wrote on X. Residents of the Mender in the Poonch district took to the streets in protest against the authorities' indifference towards their plights amidst the severe water crisis in the town. According to the reports by the Kashmir Media Service, disgruntled protesters expressed their frustration, condemning the prolonged neglect by the authorities in addressing the pressing issue of water scarcity in the area. The protests have erupted across the India against the implementation of the controversial Citizenship Amendment Act, sparking concerns about the discriminatory nature and the impacts on the Muslims. According to Kashmir Media Service, Narendra Modi government faces backlash as the demonstrations broke out in various states including Assam and Tamil Nadu just days before a general election is announced. Recently, a tragic incident unfolded as Hamid Khan, a 60-year-old resident of the district Pashin, Balochistan, attempted suicide in the central jail Alwar, Rajasthan, India. Approximately 347 Pakistani citizens in Indian jails, including 249 civilians and 98 fishermen, mostly are implicated in the concocted cases.